guys. Hi, lovelies. Hi, lovelies. Hi, lovelies. My name is Mvesoma Stella Izzy, and this is my first ever YouTube video. Oh God, I'm so excited to see that. Like I've wanted to see that for so long now, and I have my note app open, and you might wonder, is it because I don't know myself? Ah, I skip sometimes and my attention span is not that great. So I wrote down everything I have to say. I know. So yeah, I've like always wanted to start YouTube and I made a lot of excuses. It was either not having the right equipment to start, not knowing the right things to say. But you know what? I decided to say, whatever, I should start anyways. That's what people always say. Start anyways. So yeah. So first things first, an introduction. Yeah. My name is Mesoma Stella Eze. I'm a 22-year-old girl. I'm a core member serving in Ibadan, Nigeria. I'm from Enugu State. So I'm Igbo. But yeah, I'm serving in Ibadan. So I'm trying to learn the Yoruba culture. Yeah. So I do a lot of things. Do I? I don't know. But like I actually have a lot of things I do. I volunteer, I write, I I can call myself a YouTuber now. Yeah, and every other thing. So my volunteering activity have like made me travel. It has helped me travel because I love traveling. So my volunteering activities have helped me be into like over 10 Nigerian states. And yeah, I hope I do more. So for my, because as a core member, you have to have a place you serve for the duration of the 1 year you're serving the country. I'm currently serving at Ominira Initiative, is an organization that focuses on economic advancement through media, through advocacy, media, and entrepreneurship. So I am their policy analyst. I studied political science in school, so kind of is related to what I studied in school. I, like I said, I write. I have 3 published opinion editorials in outlets. I have one in The Guardian, one in Sahara Reporters, and one in The Punch. Yeah. Don't play beauty and brains. Yeah, so I know. I like I said already, I do a bit of everything and I want to bring you guys on this journey with me. So please stick around. Tell me what you want to know. I would be doing more vlogs, self-improvement videos and lifestyle content. That's what I want to focus on. But tell me what you want to know, tell me what you want to learn, and I hope you stick around with me. Yeah, I'm so excited.